Yo, what is up, guys? So I decided to make another video. Yes, it's me in the flesh, new hair. Yeah, pretty sure in my last video I had blue hair in the Trippie Redd video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But for today, we are doing an unboxing video. Let's get to it.
In the sunlit world of what he believes to be reality. But there is, unseen by most, an underworld, a place that is just as real, but not as brightly lit. A dark side.
Yo, what is up? We are back. It has been a while, I know, because of the virus, and you know, it's been a while because I haven't been making videos because there hasn't been any concerts, and I'm pretty sure right now there's probably, I would say if this virus wouldn't have happened, I'm pretty sure there would have been 5 concerts at least, like before this virus. I'm pretty sure I would have been at 5 right now. Sadly, this virus ruined everything, and like, I understand everybody's doing quarantine, everybody's doing their job, they're at work or they're at home. However y'all are doing it right now, I hope y'all are doing really good right now. But in the meantime, if you haven't seen my videos, check them out. And have you seen my last video, like I mentioned at the beginning? That's right. If you haven't seen the Trippie Redd vlog, check it out right now. Literally, I met Trippie Redd, as you can see. This is insane. I like this VIP pass, Trippie Redd VIP pass. Meet and greet, yes sir, yes I did. Check it out if you haven't. I mean, check it out if you haven't though. If you have, watch it again if you want. But anyhow, we're doing an unboxing video today, and I got a couple of stuff with some stories into it, so let's get to it. So let's get started, right? What the fuck is this?
What the fuck is that?
Okay, I have no idea what this is. Let's find out. That was cool. Oh, okay. Okay, that was clever. That was... So what we got here is... I got this from eBay. It's the vintage Insane Clown Posse Faces shirt. Sadly, it's not the one with the front and back. The House of Horrors tour, if you know what I'm talking about. Hey, this is something I would rock. Y'all see that? Wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. Look at that print. You know, I've been jamming to ICP since middle school, and the only reason how I knew about ICP was because they used to be on WWF and WCW. And y'all might remember that one part where Shaggy was on WCW and he fell off the bus.
Somebody's
Yeah, a little something like that. Let's go to the next one. So what we got here is from FTP. Ooh, wow, FTP. Let's get to it, shall we? I could have sworn. Here we go. Be careful with these guys, seriously. Yeah, I feel like Chucky with this, huh? Just kidding. So, what do we got here? Okay, we got that. Wow, FTP pulled up with them stickers. So, what we got here? We got the FTP beanie. Nice. 10 effing years. That's insane. I like the colorway on here. Well, it's just white. What colorway am I talking about?
What is that?
The hell?
Well, anyways, so we got here, we got the FTP, the golden, logo beanie. It's pretty nice. So, we got the FTP, the sun shirt. It says FTP graphics. Watch your back. It reminds me of that cereal with the sun on it, the raisin cereal. 2 scoops. Well, yeah, there we go. Let's get to the rest. So we got another package. Safety first, guys. Remember what I said. What we got here? It seems we got another shirt. Oh wow. Okay. So we got the Lil Uzi Vert Shuffle Tee 2020 Shuffle. Yeah, the Shuffle 2020 shirt. That's nice. With the upside down sad face. That's nice. Now, we have here, how about we go with this one? Alright, let's get to it. Wow. We got a major haul. Trippie Redd 1400 face mask. I know you guys want to see this right now, but might as well. Why not? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. 1400. Know what the is going on.
Real gang shit. Fuck you talking about?
It's a nice mask. I like it. It's really, really comfortable. It's super comfortable, I swear. So, what we have here, I guess this is the Trippie Redd merch. Right here. Wow. Okay. We got the Trippie Redd Love Me More tour. This is tour merch from his website. And he dropped this, and it was nothing but the tour merch. If you didn't go, it was the Love Me More tour. They did not have these at the show. These came out like maybe 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I don't know, but But they had these at the show. They had a couple of these. So I thought, let me snag one of these. Hey, it's a nice shirt if you ask me. This is the front. Really nice. So what we got here? Oh, okay, this is interesting. This one was in fact at the show. I remember this exactly. We got the Pandora's box, as what they call it, and it has the tour dates right here. They're so small, like, but we got 1400 in the front. Got that in a large. Oh boy, look at this. We have here the Trippie Redd Love Me More tour long sleeve. Really nice. I always like this one. I like it. It's really good. That look at that. The dates are sideways. Last but not least, we have here another shirt. Last one from Trippie Redd's Love Me More tour merch. Oh man, this one is my favorite out of the whole tour merch. We have the Grinch tee. I love this shirt. It's literally Trippie as the Grinch. And it's pretty much one of my favorite songs off that album. You know, I actually love this. He performed it at the show and it was awesome. It was the best. It was really intense. Yeah, check that out. Man, I love that tee. Alright. So we got a few more. Let's get to the rest. So I really don't know what's in here. Don't know what to expect. Remember what I said. Let's go on this side first. You know, I'm too used to the boxes where you have to like literally cut in the middle, but it seems like today is not the case. Seems we gotta go sideways. Oh, this is from Canada. Straight out of Canada, I see. Shout out the dude in Canada for hooking it up. Wow. He taped it real good, as I can see. Okay. Guys, there's like something else in there. Oh my god. Let's get to it, huh? That is awesome. We got a WWF Coliseum video keychain with Hulk Hogan and Ultimate Warrior right there from Coliseum Video. Dude, this is awesome. I did not expect that. This had to be a free gift or something. That is insane. What we got here, we got the, wow, I did not expect it to be that great looking. It's almost brand new, as I can say. They got the WWF tag on there and a sticker. Wow, check out them WWF tags, man. That is insane. I did not expect it to be this great. Shout out to the dude in Canada for this. I don't know what's in here. I was expecting the hat, but I bought two things from him, so it's probably whatever else I bought from him, but I know for sure I bought the hat. And it said that the hat came in, but we're gonna find out what is in here, because you see there's no labels, so I guess whatever I bought from him, it's from the same seller. I bought two things from him. Oh boy, we gotta check this out. Wow. That is insane. Guys, we got the holy grail of Stone Cold Steve Austin shirts. The Blood from a Stone tee from Canada? That is insane. Wow. So he shipped both of them in there. That's pretty good. So we have one more package, and then we have something that I gotta tell a story of. So let's get to it. Wow. Alright, guys. Let's do it. So we got the WWF Vintage Mankind shirt. It reminds me of those toys with the faces on it that you squish. I don't remember what they're called, Mad Ball or something like that, where you would crush them and they would like, their eyeballs popped out. It looks a little like that, but hey, it was the 90s. Foley is God. And if you remember Mankind, you might remember when Mankind fell off the Hell in a Cell, and I'm pretty sure everybody knew that already.
If he throws him up on the other side,
So we got another shirt. We got Mick Foley. Tags are nice. We got the WWF tags on there. And it's pretty much the shirt of all his injuries and everything he done. From when he lost his ear, yeah, he lost an ear. Broken teeth and all that other crazy shit he done. Mick Foley's insane, guys. So, let me explain. Why does Rob have 2? I ordered one of these hoodies. It is the Revenge. I believe it was the Valentine's Day drop, around Valentine's Day, something like that. So we got the Revenge hoodie, the Heartogram hoodie, and I ordered one. Keep in mind, I ordered one of these hoodies. And they gave me 2. Why? I don't know. I heard some guy also got lucky. He ordered the white hoodie. He ended up getting 2 as well. It's crazy how you end up getting 2. I did not pay for 2. On the receipt it said that I bought one because I'm pretty sure it would have charged me for the other one, but that is insane. Well guys, I think this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Like, subscribe, smash that like button, hit the subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos that I have on here. I should be making more videos soon. So in the meantime, you know, sit back, relax, enjoy the quarantine or whatever you're doing right now. It's summertime. Have the best summer right now. And congratulations to everybody who graduated 2020, class of 2020. Y'all gonna have a good ass summer. Yes, y'all will. And yeah, I think that's it for today. See ya, and check the rest of my videos out. See ya, guys.
The dark side is always there, waiting for us to enter, waiting to enter us. Until next time, try to enjoy the daylight. The dark side is always there, waiting for us to enter, waiting to enter us. Until next time, try to enjoy